Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you had a great day. We're gonna react to XG member COCONA's cover video, surround sound test video, I guess, something like that. And we're gonna react to ENHYPEN TWF dance practice. It's their 2022 anniversary, and I'm really excited to see that, guys. But firstly, we're gonna react to XG member COCONA, guys. Let's go. I know this. Surround sound test video. It's not cover. They will release it, guys. I had a reaction for that. Oh my god, it's so cool. She's so cool. Oh my god. Oh, it's so cool. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh, it's so cool. 𝓂𝒾𝒶. Okay. Oh my god, that was so cool. We're gonna listen it again. I know a number. Oh my god. They released a new video for that, guys. Really, um, I had a video for this reaction XG tape too. Oh my god. Give an L. Oh my god. That was so cool. Take a look. Whoop. It's really so cool. She really are doing so perfect. When I'm the one that playing no game. Okay. My god. You're supposed to be kidding. Really? That was awesome. Okay, secondly, ENHYPEN, guys. Let's go. They really so cool. Oh my god, I recognize these pants, Nicki's pants. He did like hype boy challenge with these pants. Look at Suno, he's so cool. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at them. He's so cool. He's so cute. Look at Nicki. He's like dancing so how can I say that? I couldn't find a word for Nicki's dance, guys. Really so cool. They're they're dancing like so good. They're all dancing so good. Look at them, oh my god. But I love like Suno and Ajay's outfits, really. They're so cool, looking so cool. And of course, Sunghon's outfit's really good. Oh. I love Suna, really. I love him. I think my bias is like Suna in the group. I love his outfits. I love his like dancing. Oh my god, that was so cool. That was so cool. I wanna really watch Suno's part again. I love that all of them, guys. I didn't really. I doing. I'm not doing like solo things, you know. I love ENhypen all of them so much, but like a bias thing, like you know. My bias is Suno, like it's so great to watch it. Yeah. Woo. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh my god, that was so good. I really had to fun. I had to react to fun. I couldn't talking, you know. They makes me like doing it. Okay, okay, Coconut firstly. That was so good. I love her. I love her rap, everything, guys. I had a reaction for XG's rap line. You know, you can really watch it again. And ENhyPen, I have not like a lot of ENhyPen videos. You know, guys, I have to do like more ENhyPen videos, guys. I hope you like this. I hope you like this video. You can recommend everything in the comments and you can write every comment, okay? Love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, you write a comment, like, guys. Love you so much. See you next time.